Welcome back to the shop. Alright. Welcome back to the shop. I invite you to be a member of the UpAllNight91 YouTube channel. If this channel's been of any value to you or it's helped you out through a job or you just find it entertaining and you want to help support the channel, well, that'll be greatly appreciated. To join is easy. On any one of my videos, you will see a join somewhere around here. If you click on that, it'll have this pop up, or if it's on your phone, it'll probably look a little bit different. There are 3 levels to choose from. The beginner level at $1.99 per month, the weekend warrior supporter level at $3.99 a month, and the top Beavis supporter at $5.99 a month. By supporting the channel, you will help me to keep providing this level of attention towards the channel, as well as even improve the amount of attention that I can put towards the channel to try to raise it up to the next level is what I'm looking to do here. So be the first, or at least one of the first, and you will get this little picture right here beside your name when you comment on any of my videos. Now, my membership is going to be a little different than some of the other YouTube creators memberships, where they offer perks like, you know, getting to watch the video before anyone else and things like that. I'm not really offering that. I try to keep it equal to paying memberships as well as just people that are subscribers, because I do appreciate all you guys, and the channel's here to help people is what it's here to do. So the only perk that I have check marked in the box that YouTube makes me check mark a whole bunch of boxes, just high priority in the comment section for me to reply. As you know, I typically do reply to every comment that I get for the most part, as long as it's positive comment. The negative ones I kind of ignore, but that's the only perk pretty much. And yeah, so become a member. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Oh, by the way, check out the KTM's looking pretty good with them fresh graphics, huh? I'm going to get to test ride that the first time this weekend. Anyway, catch you in the next video.